Hi, my name's Candice and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this autumnal yellow and orange makeup look using the Be Perfect Carnival Antidote palette. So if that's something that you're interested in, please continue watching. Bye! So starting off with the P. Louise Brow Shop Brow Balm, I'm just going to brush my brows up and then I'm going to go straight in to the P. Louise base and carve my eyebrows out and just pat that base all over my lid. So using Vaseline on a flat brush, we're now going to cut our crease and then we're going to wipe away with a makeup wipe and a spatula. And onto cutting the crease, I'm going to use the P. Louise blank canvas and I'm just going to stamp this on. Don't swipe, it's a lot easier to stamp it on to get a nice clean line, and then I'm just going to buff the edges in. Today I'm going to use the liner gel from XX Revolution and I'm just going to stamp this into place, and then I'm just going to turn my brush around. It's a little angled brush and I'm just going to use the point just to get a right nice clean point on the outer edge. So to prime my skin, I'm just going to use the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. It's also a primer spray as well. And then I'm going to use the NARS Glow in Simos. And now I'm going to go into the Charlotte Tilbury colour corrector in medium 2, and I'm just going to pop that underneath my eyes, and then I'll go straight in with foundation. So for powder, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder in medium 2, and as you'll see in a minute, I have hardly any of this left because that's how much I love it. I've hit the pan, and this is the second one I've bought, so I will have to buy a new one soon. But it's so good for a pressed powder, and it just blurs out everything, and it keeps everything so matte and smooth. For bronzer today, I'm using my favourite, which is the MAC Give Me Some bronzer, and I'm just going to pop that everywhere that I put the caramel bronzing cream from Anastasia Beverly Hills, just to keep that all nice in place. And you just want to gently buff that out. For blush, I'm going to use the blush from Made by Mitchell in the shade Mango Daiquiri, and then I'm going to go back into the Antidote palette and use the shade Dusty Rose just to apply over the top and deepen that up a little bit. So for highlighter, I started out by using the Urban Decay Prince Collection highlighter, and I have to say this was absolutely shit. So I won't be using this again. I had to actually go over with another highlighter from Kylie Cosmetics. So yeah, don't bother with this one, guys, it's absolutely crap. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use that for my body in future, but yeah, it just hardly showed up on my face. So that's why I went in with the powder, and as you can see, I got more of a blinding highlight with the Kylie Cosmetics. So for under my eye, I'm going to use the same shades as I used at the start, which was Pecan, and then I'm going to buff it out with that yellow shade. So this is the finished look, and I hope you all enjoyed watching my tutorial today. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.